The song sparrow, one of North America's most common, widespread bird. With a population of over 130 million, with the male singing over 2,300 songs a day, you can't miss them. I mean, you just can't. Not to get confused with the house sparrow, purple finch, or even a juvenile red-winged blackbird, they're a very important bird to have in your backyard. We ended up getting 20 inches of snow on top of 20 inches of snow here in New England. For everyone saying you'd rather have this than 80-degree weather, no you don't. This sucks, and honestly, you just have to know. But thankfully, we're in March, and I can't wait for all this to melt. But now that you know it snowed about 20 to 40 inches in the last couple months, let me explain what this is. Welcome to my Bird of the Day series. In this series, it'll be my mission to find Merlin's Bird of the Day every single day, to discover new species, new lifers, and to get outside every day. Another huge mission of mine for this series is to also inspire you to get outside for at least 15 minutes a day, either just to birdwatch, enjoy the sun, or using the Merlin Bird ID app to submit your findings and just to support them. Not sponsored. All while treating it like a video game, because honestly, they live rent-free in my head. Anywho, back to the video. I had bought this tray from Walmart that I would normally put out with seed for the birds, but because the bird flu is spiking in my area again, and I don't really have a proper way to clean it safely, I decided to put it away for the rest of the winter season. And at the time of this recording, everything seems to be working out just fine. So what you're seeing now is what I would do on a regular day-to-day basis. They seem to like it. What I do is I go outside and make sure that the bird I'm trying to find is actually outside in my area, and it could take anywhere between 20 minutes to an hour. Thankfully for me, I already saw this bird this morning, so I knew it was hiding somewhere. Once I confirm it's outside, the real mission begins. So in order for this to work, I need to capture the bird of the day on my Merlin Bird ID app, capture one photo of the bird. Bonus points if I get video of it too. Once Merlin hears my bird of the day, and I have at least one photo on my camera, I can say I found my bird of the day. But until then, we get to hunting. Anything found in between is just bonus points. I'll probably be here for a while, so here's a couple different clips I captured today. I knew that wouldn't take long, so here's a couple different pictures I managed to capture today. As I wrap up day one of finding my bird of the day, let me know your predictions for tomorrow's bird of the day, and if you get it right, I'll put it in my video. Thank you so much for tuning in to day one's bird of the day, and if you haven't already, check out the links down below in my description to see what I'm up to on a daily basis. I'll also be posting these edited photos on my Instagram. I'll see you tomorrow.